Good evening, and welcome to another Synister Memes.
Scrolling through shadows, we find the strange. Meme after meme on a twisted exchange. Dark humor reigns where nothing's what it seems. You're tuned in now to Synister Memes. Sinister vibes, meme overload. From cursed content to the darkest code. Laugh if you dare, unravel your dreams. You're watching now. Synister Memes.
How was your Saturday going? I hope your weekend is going fantastic. Mine definitely is. We got a bunch of exercise done today, tons of cleaning, some amazing food. I just made some coffee. I got my Rogue Energy hydration mix already good to go, and Synister Memes is on the way. With that being said, though, are you guys ready for some freaking Synister Memes? Because I know I am. I need a good laugh. I always need a good laugh. I'm hungry for it.
Hi, baby. No.
Yep, it's actually a sign of love. Wow. Where's mine?
That's my spot. Oh, shit.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, good baby.
Oh, we're fighting. Is that money?
Oh,
Is straight chilling. You look so badass.
Talking shit back. Holla at you, boy. Okay, dogs are always good. I'm gonna give that one an 8 out of 10. It was solid. The burping thing in the beginning, by the way, is a sign of affection from dogs. They want to share the smell of the food that they just ate with you.
adorable.
It's one of mine, so I give it a 10 out of 10.
Straight adorbs. Straight adorbs. The animals always win. It's a great way to start too, because it kind of sets like the whole mood, the atmosphere, if you will. Yep, in straight adorable mode. I'm loving it. Next meme.
Innocent.
Or loves the water.
Ooh, that belly flop. Oh no!
I just want to point out this is me trying to get anything that's above shoulder height.
Whenever I see dogs, hold on, pause it. Oh my god! Whenever I see dogs near those kind of pools, I just RIP that pool. It's gone. Those
Oh, yeah,
nails are
it's
gonna
gone.
just destroy it. Okay, full send.
Do you like the... Oh!
Did they not notice?
I think it was a new house.
Oh! What was that? That was a good dive. Oh no!
Oh, baby.
That's a shark.
Oh no! Corgis are... No! No, their feet are too little!
Oh.
Innocent.
Wait,
Okay.
hold on. Gotta get rid of that.
Oh man, dogs in water are just the best thing. I seriously, 100 out of 10. I love it. It's one of the best activities you can do with your doggos. If you haven't done it, you're wrong. You need to take them to a lake, the ocean. I would avoid boats if you have a little puppers, because they do turn into bobbers and then eventually sinkers, and it's not fun. If you guys see me with baby goats, it's because Michael keeps playing that damn fucking thing and I can't get him on my head. Whoa, is this family friendly?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
This is a crotch shot if I had ever seen one.
Yeah, it's
He's
funny.
wearing shorts.
Those look like briefs.
They're
We're gonna keep this
shorts.
one brief, okay? All right, full send.
Okay.
No, stop! No! Oh God! Why? Every screen, it's on every screen. I don't know how to stop
Not the nipple.
this. We...
Uh-oh.
Cats are
Oh
even.
no.
Oh God! The Cave of Wonders.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
No, 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 no.
Ouch.
No! Oh God! Why would you just let it keep happening?
That one
What
I
the
would shove-
fuck?
I would shove the dog off on that one.
What is going on? Mo! Degenerates, all of you. Degenerates. This one made my insides hurt. Oh my God. All right. Enough memorizing. Enough reliving past traumas. Next meme.
And to perform the functions of my office conscientiously. That's okay.
That's a hard
And
word.
the best of my ability. Conscientiously.
We'll get it right. We'll get it right.
I guess we'll
We'll get it right. Conscientiously.
conscientiously.
Yes.
Conscientiously.
Yes.
And to perform.
That was a beautiful moment in history. Well done. I couldn't pronounce it either. I can't even say Cheshire Cat right half the time. We're Stanima. Is it Stanima or Stamina? I can't remember now.
Stamina.
Stamina. Is it, so I'm already forgetting.
Stamina.
Michigander education coming
Yes,
through.
we're up.
Stanima.
Anywho.
Yeah. Next. Wait.
Wait.
What are we rating that last one? I want to give that one a 9 out of 10 because it was very wholesome feeling.
The way
Instead
she
of-
said, that's okay.
That's okay.
okay.
That's okay.
That's definitely a word that will confuse people. trying to
I
read it.
don't see that was a beautiful thing
Conscientiously.
though, because if you guys didn't realize it, they weren't laughing at her. They were laughing,
They were laughing
with her,
with her.
which is so much better because you don't see a lot of that nowadays. So seeing that is awesome. 6 out of 10. I'm gonna give that one 9 out of 10 for wholesomeness. All right, next meme. Oh no!
Oh.
Look at his. He's so heartbroken. There's so much regret in that guy's face. He's like, where'd it go? I like the guy. Hold on, look at the comments. The dude's feeding a fish beer. Pour some out for the homies. Oh my God. That's fishing done wrong. I promise you. The fish are happy. They're definitely biting, but it's the poor beer. R.I.P. bud. R.I.P. I mean, I guess the beer might actually help the fish make horrible decisions. They might go for the worms better. I'm not sure how that works. But that one, ooh, I don't know, man. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 just because it kind of hurts me.
Yeah.
It's an 8 out of 10, but it's a 6 out of 10 because of the beer. I need to know. While we're doing that, next meme.
It's so low, but it's good.
Almost brought a tear to my eye. That thing
Is
is
it anybody's birthday
finely
today?
tuned. I don't know, but we need to save that. That is freaking epic. That is a 10 out of 10. That, well done. It may not be the funniest thing in the world, but that is fan-freaking-tastic. I don't even care. Next me. Wait, what now?
Would you like to call me Christine or would you like to call me Mrs. Martin?
Mrs. Martin is good.
Very nice. Is it your first car?
Yes, I bought this on the Craigslist. Why do I need a seatbelt? You have money or what?
No.
Shit, lady.
Yeah.
I love the shit.
Oh, Grandma's gonna have a heart attack. I can't tell if she's upset or enjoying it. Look at her
I
face.
think he's terrified.
No, that's joy.
That is so good! Oh my god, yes! You know you like it!
She went from terrified to I'm almost finished. I'm almost positive she completed. I'm not sure. I've seen that face before.
Oh my
I want
God.
to say she had a good time. Am I wrong, ladies? Am I wrong?
Look at the comments.
Hold on. Oh, she screamed while she screamed. Most action she's seen in years. She hasn't been that way in 30. Oh my god. Legs up, mission accomplished. Oh my god. Oh god, this is 10 out of 10. Easy. Easy. The comments are even freaking amazing. He definitely got his license that day. Came in Mrs. Martin but left as Christine. Oh my god. Oh man. That was beautiful. That was so well done. 10 out of 10. Next meme.
She's coming with me. She's coming with me. We got her. We got her. We got her. We got her. All right, you gotta go back on your own now. It's not my job. It's not my job.
Kicking.
Bro, she can literally just stand up and pull it. She's like, I paid for this seat, I'm using it. You're almost there. She's almost there. Watch out for the security right there. Psych, no you're not. You're not going. Ain't no way. Somebody goes, maybe she can't walk. I'm sorry, I'll pull you back, girl. I'll pull you back, girl. She's accepted her fate. Okay, so this shit is so silly. She's
That was
This
definitely.
was kind of just like a nice refreshing of the palate.
I think the last word in that entire skit literally describes that. That was just silly. I don't think it was just silly. Man. Okay. I think this one suffers from what I've said before. I think the guy himself or his voice, there's something that's just off that just off-puts the thing. But the action,
What, the
it was
auto-tune?
actually... It might be the auto-tune. It might just be him in general. I don't know. There's something that off-put me too, but I did enjoy it. It is a net positive video. This is an 8 out of 10 for me. 8 out of 10 though. Silly as shit. Well done. What is this? Next meme.
Get it done.
Holy shit, what
what the fuck?
On a scale from 1 to 10, my friend, you're fucked.
Oh, what? The whole team?
All the words I say, you're fucked. You are
They all did it?
Yeah.
Get it done.
Holy shit, what the fuck?
On a scale from 1 to 10, my friend, you're fucked.
All right, you know what?
They just
I don't know
want
if
to
you
do
guys can
something
hear it.
Silly.
That is fucked. In a beautiful way. Gamer Dad, imagine starting your match off to that. I'd quit.
Right off the bat.
I'm done with this game. A+.
Oh, that's boring.
That is a really cool meme right there. Good choice of song too. That's a 10 out of 10 meme. You pick some good ones. 9 out of 10 for Finisher. Finisher's a little harder today on these, I'm gonna say. Next
So
meme.
this is a special one. This is featuring a member of the community.
Was that
This
Quinn?
is Galaxy Quinn.
What? Quinn?
Uh-huh.
Oh
Yep.
God, it's me.
Well, I did. It just wasn't.
What is she eating?
Touch your usual.
Sour.
Strip.
Oh, the penguin is adorable.
Grab them knees, girl. Clutch it. Clutch it. What'd you do? Swallow it whole? Oh, God. Did you swallow
Let's be
it
honest.
whole?
It's probably not the worst thing she put in her mouth that week.
Oh, my.
Just saying. Just saying.
You can't.
What?
God, your acid reflux later. God.
It already is.
That was totally wicked. That was totally wicked.
So how was it, Quinn? Hey, did you submit this or somebody else submit
Yes.
this? It's open for interpretation. All right. If it comes across my screen, it's a meme. Okay. I hate sour. You and Abby both. I love sour.
I love sour
I love
candy.
spicy. I love the faces.
That's such a great face. I love it.
Oh, Rue's amazing. Next meme. Hi, sorry. Oh
Nice
God!
jump, dude.
Damn!
That was impressive.
48-inch vertical.
Nice jump,
I mean,
dude. That was impressive.
Higher.
he's in the wrong business, man.
That's almost as tall as him.
He is
Yeah.
he's in the wrong business. That is 4 feet up.
Oh yeah.
20 out. Yeah, no, that is a skill shot. That was awesome to see. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10. It's short, it's beautiful, it's pleasant, it hits what it's meant to do.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's done that before. Yeah, no, he knows what he's doing.
Absolutely.
I wonder how high he can actually go. Because that didn't even look like his entire skill cap. He just yeet right over it like it was nothing. Are you serious? Full send. Wait, what? What's about to happen?
Oh.
Wait, how? Go back. Go back. Was that a glass bottle? That is.
Yeah.
She didn't shake and it decided to go boop.
Oh.
Yeah.
My...
Oh.
I've
Been
done
there.
that.
I've done that too.
I've
I
done
haven't done that though. God, no. No, it's going to break.
Oh.
Whoa, wait, what? What? Go back. How does that even? I got no. Yep, more and more. Okay, yeah, right there. Yeah.
That one I'm not sure of.
Oh, it has a spout on it. What a dumbass.
Oh.
It melted?
I think it's a cheesecake that didn't set right.
Nope. Hooked the lid to it.
I mean, it's free.
Oh no.
Dumbass.
Why did I just do that?
Perfect.
That's charcoal.
It's perfect.
Yummy.
How long were they in there for? You fossilized it.
Oh.
Oh, and that's the worst type of stove to do that with too.
Oh.
No! Volcano! That thing's talking shit.
Oh no.
That was just dumb. Ready? No, it's. This makes me want to avoid the kitchen at all costs.
I like
Yes,
her
it does.
reaction.
Okay, how does that even? That's like a perfectly cut bottom piece.
No,
How
some
does that-
bottles just all suddenly break.
Like that?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah. It depends on how the glass tempering was when it was made in the factory.
That is shite. But you gave me a cheeky streamer meme. Well, get back in here next Saturday and we're gonna go through them. We already got a lineup for this week, but we'll make sure it'll be in the next week for you, okay?
I can show it.
We're doing it? Okay. So fun. What up, Jeebus? R.I.P. Grandma. I got a jar of dirt. Sorry, I had to. You know which one I'm talking about, though, right?
I know, but we need to move on. It's 7:04, please.
Okay, next meme. Next meme.
Thank you.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
Did he get it?
Oh yeah, good boy.
Oh, that is awesome. Every time.
I have to see this again.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
Like. Did he get it?
So smooth.
I want to know if he got it. That is a 10 out of 10, and I hope you guys get to experience that in real life at some point in time. I feel like nuts is the common one now. I feel like everyone is allergic to some kind of nut nowadays.
Next meme.
Do you know where I was going with that one?
Yes.
Usually the symptoms show up after marriage.
Next meme.
Can you voice the monster? Are you serious? Wait. Okay, hold on. How do we voice the monster?
What monster?
That's what you want? You want the monster to be that? Something's walking around. Dance on me balls, cat fucking your hand, bad doors, other doors, I wanna stay with Winston, it's no lie, Lisa in the crowd said, look, Mary had a vagina malfunction. Dance on me balls, cat fucking your hand, bag yours, other doors, I wanna stay with Winston, it's no lie, Lisa in the crowd said, look, Mary, dance on me balls, cat fucking your hand, bag yours, other doors,
What is this?
Mary had a vagina malfunction. I wanna stay with Winston, it's no lie.
What is this?
Can you voice the?
Oh, what is this game?
I don't know, but that is amazing. I didn't know that was even part of the song, a vagina malfunction. What does that even consist of? I'm so confused. 600
It's a
zillion.
Swedish song that doesn't translate well to English, apparently.
That was so fantastic. I want to play that game now. Really bad. I don't understand. That was the best part.
And he's trying not.
Oh, here you go.
Oh.
It's called Strashna. Strashna 2?
It was from the demo on Steam. So what did you record what the monster does? I got okay.
I guess
Hold on.
The
Hold on.
monster is supposed to speak.
Stay there. I'm going to Steam. Right, stat meow.
I thought this was just too funny.
It's good. The what? I wish Instagram had the same like technology as TikTok to where you can go and like scrub through it so we could just hear that what.
All right, next meme. What is? He's smacking What are they doing? I don't understand the rules.
It's not even
Hi, lady. Okay, I do not understand the rules of the game, but I want to play it.
Rock, paper, scissors. Who loses has to pick up the bowl, and who wins has to pick up the thing to hit them with.
But why was he putting it?
He has
like a protection, maybe.
Yeah, it's
He
protection.
just started
but
beating the
they
crap
got
out of
that
his
pulse
head.
thing, which makes it harder to do.
This one's yours? All right, next meme. Pandas are like dog. Whoa, whoa, ladies, watch out!
Yeah.
I love this song.
I love pandas. Not as much as I love those. How'd they get a video of me? That's not fair. Iconic.
Whee! Oh, that's adorable.
Good night. I'm done.
Aww.
Oh. In the morning.
We will leave me.
Just like real kids. Okay, that's a 10 out of 10. That was just too adorable.
That's me when Sarah goes to work.
No, come back.
Come back and love me.
Hey, we leave Panda Bear Productions out of this. He's amazing. All right, next meme. This couch is eating somebody. It's a mimic. Oh, snap.
Fuck, I'm sorry.
Yeet.
No.
That was just
finished
a
putting
bad
it together.
choice. Okay. Ooh. Some of these scare me because they're holding sharp objects. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Wait, what is going on here?
Oh,
Is that a
no,
couch? Ooh.
Suck
Nut
that.
tap. That's still my favorite one. The couch got me. The uh-oh. Next meme. The couch meme.
He's gonna be the star of the parade.
What they do to my baby?
Oh no!
What did they do to you? You better stop all that.
I got polka dots. Oh
What's wrong
no!
with
you? That's a Cheeto. Oh, what a pretty princess.
You already see what it looks like.
Oh, I love this one.
Oh no.
That is so cool.
That's
Pretty cool. Oh God! I'm a blueberry. I'm your favorite fruit. It's your bumblebee.
Oh, come here.
I didn't even know this was an option. I know you can do this with your dogs.
Stay.
Yeah.
Stay.
I'm ferocious. Rawr.
Oh.
Are you a tiger? Are you a big scary tiger?
Oh.
What did you do to my dog?
That's still the
I
best
love
one
this
though.
big boy,
He's
though.
gonna be the star of the parade.
Tut, what they do to my baby?
He looks like a tuk tuk.
He is, absolutely.
Great day.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10. I didn't even know that was options. All right, next meme. What?
Why are you in my closet?
That can't be real.
It can't be.
Oh. Okay.
Eating a bunch of Cheez-Its and I didn't pay attention and then I looked down and I
Baby.
What?
What? That ain't real.
Yeah, people do train their dogs to do that.
Hello, buddy.
I'll never understand that. Yeah,
What a happy little Sheba. That's a big boy.
That was y'all foofy boy.
Oh, baby.
Bro.
Mom, it's talking shit again.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh!
I'm trying to give him some water like this, and he's like, nah.
What is this? Rosie.
No.
How'd they find a video of me judging people? Oh no.
No. Oh, God. No, I don't want to go back and see that.
No, we have to see the first video. Wait.
Wait, is that the beginning? I don't remember these.
What?
Did we skip it? Or is this a new one?
Remember, it might have played for a little bit.
Okay, it did. Okay, we missed the beginning.
I thought. Apologies.
Okay, that was a cute compilation. That's another 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give that one. There's a few 10 out of 10 ones, so I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. for that one. The husky and the baby is a real thing. It's especially if you've had that husky for a long time and then you have a kid, they are not happy about it, and they will tell you.
Next meme.
Next meme.
Been struck by a smooth criminal.
How?
I see black roads. Black eyes.
You've been struck by a smooth.
And having a really steep incline to your house.
You know, I honestly wouldn't have even thought that was possible until I moved here in Alabama. Coming from Michigan, where like the roads, I guess, are just built different. I couldn't understand that. But now driving the roads over here, if there is like minimal cold weather, those things become the slipperiest mother beaches I've ever seen. They are bad. Hold it.
Ready?
Whoa!
Funny moment.
Oh! Oh! What? I've never seen a dog do that before. I didn't know that was a thing. What?
Let's see. Oh.
Bless you. Yeesh. Is this normal?
Yeah. That's
They sneeze like me. Have you taken a moment today to consider the notion that all our moms... Oh my god. Dude!
Next
I'm
meme.
not. Whoa! That is crazy. He doesn't realize what happened yet.
It takes her a second to realize.
Seriously, that's 1 in a million. Probably 1 in a billion shot. Holy crap. I'm gonna give that's gonna be I'm gonna give that one, that's gonna be an 8 out of 10. Full send.
Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
Do you understand how close he came to seeing Jesus?
Inches.
Wow. And then the cop almost runs him over.
Yeah, right? Holy what?
That's nuts.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Truly.
He took 2 of them. All right. Next meme. Let's go.
This is the last meme.
Last meme.
And this is coming from a very late night scroll session from me. I had to ask permission for this one.
Full send.
Don't judge, Sin. It's all me.
Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hitler.
Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler.
Oh my
Hitler.
god.
Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler.
Hi, Barbie.
That is a doom scroll meme if I've ever seen one. First off, both of them, great movies. The reference is undeniable. Oof, that is a 10 out of 10. Those two sync way too well. Same thing, different year. Now that's a way to go out, isn't it? 10 out of 10. That was beautifully done. That was a perfect end meme. The last two. Why'd you stop that meme? I was cracking up. That was the end.
That was the end.
That was it.
Hi, Barbie.
You want it on loop?
Hi, Barbie.
Hitler.
Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler. Hi, Hitler.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Oh my god. Okay. All right. So that was it for Synister Memes. Thank you so much, Hardy and Brittany, for lining this up for us. This was fan-freaking-tastic. Thank you guys so much for donating the memes. They are amazing. Keep it up. If you enjoyed this, submitting. We're borrowing them. If you enjoyed this and you want or if you have a few lined up yourself that you want to share, get into the Discord. We have an entire lineup from a bunch of people. We're slowly going through them, also adding a few of ours in there, like the one that Hardy just put in there. That was fantastic. Let's get in the Discord, submit, and I'm kind of getting an insight into what all you heathens like. And it's a variety of stuff. It is insane. It's helping us grow drastically on the YouTube side. So I want to thank you guys personally for that.
Synister vibes, meme over